Hello everybody, just today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the front strut on 2008 Toyota Camry. It's very simple to change the strut on that car. You see the hard part one is the sway barring. In the New England one, the bolt very hard to remove it because too much corrosion and rusty, so a little bit hard for you guys to do it. And on that bolt here, you see the strut bolt on the bottom one, we use number 22, and brake hose bracket, this is number 20. So on the top of the strut mount we use number 14. All right, so this one is gonna be easy plug and play. Okay, the strut which I buy the quick strut, you can do it at home. Don't do the strut alone, they require a special tool to hold the spring. It's take too much. The quick strut is cheaper too. So let's get it started, guys. So just remove the sway bar link. Okay, bolt. This one come out easy, so the video gonna be fast. So next we remove, this is number 12mm here. Just remove it, guys. Like I said, the hard part is sway bar link. If the sway bar link's out, it's everything gonna be out. It's easy, gonna be easy. Just pull it like that. Okay, so let me find a good place to put my camera on it for you guys can see what I'm trying to do right now. So maybe I'm gonna put a camera. Let me find a good place. Good place for you guys can see. Okay, I can put on a tire and put one battery on the top. Just put a video, the camera in here. All right, so next we remove the strut bolt here lower. It's number 22. Sorry, number 22. Just hold it in place. This job very easy, nothing hard. If you get equipment, if you get all two, it'll be easy. So one's out, second one out. All right. Okay, so no more shaking, guys. Sorry, whoa, camera moving. So it's right now, it's time to remove the bolt. See, very simple. Got it out. Bring the new strut. Alright, so when you take the bolts out, just twist it. Okay, it's out now, so just put it in place. This is what I did it. Just put the frame bar to hold it. Use a wrench. See, so next in here, look at, guy, it's time to remove the strut mount bolt in here. It's number 14mm. 14. We use the impact gun so make my job a little bit faster. Number 14 guys, see? 1, 2, gonna be 3. Use your one arm to hold a strut, okay? Okay, so let me bring the camera back to the same place. Okay, the strut's out right now, so just pull it. Okay, so let me show you a little bit. You see the strut, the coil spring broken, so it almost pops out one piece. So let me put the old one away, then I bring the new one in. It's a new one look like, okay? This is a complete strut. The customer, he bought it, not me. So let's get it installed, okay? Let's put it the way it is. One go in. Okay, so it's time to tightening the strut mount. Look in here, the mount, strut mount bolt is 3 bolt. Oh, 3 nuts. Sorry, it's not 3 bolt. Why is it always say 3 bolt? Well, it's not. Let me tighten it. Wow, it's not even 10 minutes yet. I almost get my job done though, so this job it will be quick, eh? Alright, it's good. Quick job. Alright, so it's in now. You see, just put the number, the bolt. Okay, let me go get a liner. Sorry. It's a liner punch in here. It's my favorite tool. You can use it to line it up a little bit faster. Bought it cheaper, but it's a very good quality. Why you make it tough? So tough. Okay, one in. Second one. Alright, so almost done, guys. You see it, turn the front strut assembly, it's super fast. Boom. That's it. Just put the nut on. Where one nut go then? I don't know where I put it. Maybe under the wheel then, because I put a battery holder up the camera. Let me looking for it. I can see it. Let me put a battery back and put a camera on here. I'm looking for the nut. Where'd the nut go? Oh, here you go. Found it. Got it, so it's time to tighten the number 22 golden nut in here. Almost done, right? So twelve here. It's almost done. Oh wow, 11 minutes straight. Boom. Faster, fast. Is that right? This one. The light is number 17, guys. 17 millimeter. Look it, it's for the sway link bolt. Tightening it up. I use a air gun. Sorry, guys, a little bit. So it's all set now. Is from start to finish, it guys. It's how to change the front strut on 08 Toyota Camry. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Any question, just let me know. Thank you.